Welcome back to day 6 of the Ecosphere update. I have thought about the suggestions that you guys have given me, and I have decided on one finally. And that name is Tiny Tim. Tiny Tim is the new name of the fish. Is his new name. He is still very much alive and doing well. There he is. He's looking at us right now. See what he just did? He just like rubbed across the bottom. I don't know what he's doing when he does that, but he seems like he might have grown a very small bit, but he's been doing fine. He hasn't really struggled, it seems. It seems like he's doing great. Mr. Flatworm here. He's still doing great. He is trucking along there, right at the surface. I don't really know what he eats. I don't know much about flatworms, but I do know this is a flatworm. Not sure what that is, but I'm pretty sure that's some sort of plant growth. Also, there's this little tiny thing here, which looks like it was once a flatworm, or it's a very small one, but he may be dead now. I don't know if you guys can see, but there are a plethora of really small, there you go. There are a plethora of really small things swimming around in there. See, there's some things swimming around. There are a ton of dead mosquitoes on the surface, and I think Mr. Fishy might have been feeding on a few of them. Oh, I'm sorry. Tiny Tim has been feeding on a few of them. Quite a bit of plant growth in here. That stringy stuff looks to be like plant growth in here. Now this bug, I don't even think this is a mosquito. I am not sure what this is, but this does not look like a mosquito, so interesting. I don't know if you can see, but there's two little things in here that are interesting. That thing right there and that little clear, almost looks like a jellyfish, but not a jellyfish. These two things look like tunicates that live in salt water, but I don't know what they are. Not really sure what this bug is either, but fuzzy boy. So it seems that Tiny Tim, he is still alive. This is day 6. What has changed from day 1? Lots of dead mosquitoes in here. There are 2 unidentified bugs in here. One of them could be a mosquito, but that one that I showed you guys did not look like a mosquito. There seems to be maybe another flatworm in here. In addition to that, there are 2 things in here that look like tunicates. I have not seen any nematodes. I don't know if they're still alive. They could be. I'm pretty sure the snails are still alive. However, I could not find them around in here. But I did see them, I think, yesterday. So I believe they are still alive. I hope they are still alive. Yes, I said snails, plural, because I think there's 2 snails in here. One small, one slightly larger. But as you guys can see, everything in here is still doing well. There seems to be more plant growth. That one plant at the top, I'm not sure if that's like the formation of some plant that lives on the surface, but everything seems to be doing well, and I will check on it once I get back from my family's house this weekend. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this video, and go ahead and smash that like button if you want to see more of this, or if you want to see me go to another place and scoop up and make one of these again. Has like another one to make that I could monitor. But yeah, just comment down below, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you all for watching.